We welcome Dr. J.P. Das, Principal Director of the National Academy of Defence Production, to deliver the welcome address. An officer in the Indian Ordnance Factory Services with a rank equivalent to a Special Secretary under the Ministry of Defence.
Very good morning. Very hearty welcome to this HR Nexus 2025. Namaskar. Welcome to, good morning to all the distinguished guests, HR leaders, innovators, nation builders gathered here for the conference. Welcome to the orange city of Nagpur. Welcome to the tiger capital of India, that is Nagpur. Welcome, Dr. Bhuma will be coming shortly. Welcome, Dr. Rajeshwari Narendran. She is faculty in NTPC School of Business. Professor Meet from IIM Indore. Delegates of the HR fraternity, corporate sector, faculty, students, ladies, gentlemen from the orange city of Nagpur. My special welcome to all our partners and sponsors, that is IIM Indore, ISTD, VMA, VIA, MLR ITM, YL and RBU. My heartfelt welcome to Sri VK Iyer, CMD YL and CSK Singh, Director HIL. We welcome all the officers from the armed forces, from our allied establishment, Lieutenant Colonel Abhishek Singh and Captain Bipul Chanda. When I look at the August gathering before me, I see the very soul of India, the diversity of India assembled in one room. This is India in its full, diverse brilliance, converging here at the heart of the nation in the hallowed portal of NADP. I see aspiring future leaders, visionary corporate trailblazers, eminent academicians and thought leaders who are shaping the contours of tomorrow. स्वागतम सुस्वागतम. आज भारत हमको बुला रहा है. आज हमारे जो सपना है विकसित भारत, उसको कैसे पूरा करना है. इट्स अ लिविंग ब्रीदिंग एस्पायरेशन दैट ड्राइव्स अस फॉरवर्ड. एंड हम लोग भारत का जो सपना देखे हैं, विश्वगुरु भारत का बनना है. इंडिया इज टू बी हार्बिंजर ऑफ द पीस, आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ ए न्यू मैनेजमेंट पैराडाइम रूटेड इन सबके साथ सबका विश्वास, एंड इंक्लूसिव, कंपैशनेट एंड फ्यूचर रेडी इंडिया. जैसे हम अमृतकाल में पदार्पण कर रहे हैं, सरकार ने ये सोचा चार हमको वैल्यूज को हमको आगे बढ़ाना है. और चार वैल्यूज क्या है? स्वधर्म है, सहकारिता है, राजधर्म है और सेवा है. स्वधर्म मतलब आपको पहले श्रद्धा है. मैडम भूमा, प्लीज कम टू द स्टेज. वी वेलकम यू टू द स्टेज, चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ द फंक्शन. आई वेलकम हर टू द. So all of you can just rise to just give a respect to the chief guest. Just give a right.
Big round of applause to our chief guest.
So despite she took very less time, her flight landed later, but I'm happy that she is here. Today the problems are many, the challenges are immense, but so are the opportunities. And we must shape the future with the wisdom, courage, conviction as we march towards Vikasit Bharat. Let me speak of this special institution that is NADP. It's a central training institute under DOPT and for nurturing Indian Ordnance Factory Service officers, a cadre that has long stood at the intersection of defense, technology and national service. But why you should ask that? There are 4,000 institutions in the country doing MBA. Why NADP just entered into it? Some 450,000 graduates is coming out. Because the answer lies, we have a distinctive DNA. We are a business school, we are also a corporation, we are a public institution, we are a corporate university. Our classrooms are animated by practitioners, those who have led the factories, managed crises, built institutions. We bring the best of corporate practices into our pedagogy. Our psychometric testing, outbound training, industrial immersion, CSR project in which our students participate. From the day one, our students are mentored by one of the mentors from the industry and who teach them just not academically but for the life. Our curriculum is different, not just in content but in conscience, through a journey of ethics, corporate governance and sustainability, the in things for the future. We empower our students with the EQ skills by teaching them the art of living, yoga, and that's what we do out over here. From the day one, they're ready to make impact. And we know it is a monumental task, but we know that we can do it given the support and collaboration of all of you. We knew that we cannot do it alone. We took the mentorship IIM Indore and draw the inspiration from the Harvard Business School curriculum. We have built a powerful ecosystem. We have partnership with IIM Vizag, I am Nagpur, IIIT Nagpur, VNIT, DIT, Millet, and the number goes on. We are proud to have our global outreach. We have partnered with Eudoxia Research University to run a one-year research innovation program. We are just signing a MOU on 3rd of November with Taxila Education to get global students to this campus. At NADP, we are preparing students for jobs, of course, but we are also preparing for leadership. We are preparing them for nation building, for shaping the future of the work in Bikasit Bharat. Our students, in collaboration of the faculty, last year they have filed 4 patents that speaks about entrepreneurship. At NADP, we believe that our institution is not defined by the infrastructure, by the impact. We got many awards. We got Golden Peacock National Award, we got International Stevie Award, we got ISTD Most Innovative Training Practices Award, we got the Best Curriculum of the Award by Times Inspire. Yesterday we got an award. We have lost the count of it, let me tell you honestly. But we have never lost the sight of our purpose. Because at NADP, we believe that this award doesn't define us. We are measured by our impact. It's not by the number of the class hours, number of courses that we conduct, or any other metrics. But we believe that the impact that we create, that must reach every nook and corner of the country to make India strong. And we believe in the new government philosophy of the AICTE-based learning, that's a hybrid learning platform, that's the largest platform of the world with 1 crore subscribers. And we have contributed to 54 courses over there, and our reach is 4 lakh people have just read our course, completed our course at a 70% completion rate. Our rating is in a scale of 4.6 and a scale of 5. That's the kind of impact that we are making. And our mission is to ignite innovation and entrepreneurship. Many IIMs are doing that 6-month program for direct general resettlement for a corporate career of the people who are going to be veterans. But we want to start here we are starting a course in which we'll make the armed forces people and entrepreneurs for the next journey of the life. Our PGDM program is a mission to build technological leaders who can navigate complexity, drive innovation, contribute meaningfully to the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let me tell you what kind of impact they are making actually. Last year we had 100% internship and placement. We could not fill up the demand of some of the recruiters. 40 organizations hosted our students, including L&T PES, Tata Advanced System, ITC, KPMG, Bharat Forge, Indian Bank, Jaiswal Nico, Palo Alto Networks. Our students have done 15 to 20% efficiency gain in the logistics supply chain management. They have increased 25% product visibility and 15% rise in repeat orders in FMCG retail. They have increased 75% boost in employee motivation through HR-led program. These are proof of transformation, how NADP students are applying the classroom learning to solve real-world problems. Let me talk about the sectoral contribution. In Defence Aerospace, our interns have benchmarked technology from 40+ countries, tracked $62 million tenders, and developed export strategy for naval system for a top leading company of the India. We have helped in Tamil Nadu corridor, they wanted to get investment opportunity. We made that plan, which are this investor they should attract. In consulting, they have automated database of 70,000 records and contributed merging the 2 databases. Boeing and Airbus database is different. They merged the 2 databases. In cybersecurity, they have conducted vulnerability assessment. In FMCG, they created detailed footprints. POP salience increased by 15%. And in banking and finance, they processed the MSME loans, conducted civil analysis, supported digital onboarding of the government schemes. This is the NADP way. Blending rigor with tradition, technology, and vision with that values. Our students have created dashboards, made productive models. They have optimized supply chain. They have made Power BI automation. They have proposed ESG frameworks. They have worked on carbon neutrality. They have worked on reverse engineering, AI-based help desk devices, and portable metal melting machines, some of which have already got patents. This is the most unique, I can tell you, this is the most unique and bold experiment in the country in this sector, and we are rippling across the continents. The future of India is inseparable from the future of the world, and the path ahead is uncertain, but one truth remains, there is no solitary solution. Only together we can answer it better. This conference will be a celebration of ideas, of collaboration, of the indomitable spirit of Bharat. This gathering will deliberate, ideate, and co-create. As we do so, let us remember, we'll be shaping the future of work, the future of India, and through it, the future of the world. let us move towards wisdom, courage, and conviction for the journey of Vikasit Bharat has already begun. I'll just tell this word from the Rig Veda. Sangachaddam, Shambhabaddam, Shambho Manasi Jardam. आगे कोई ऋग्वेद का श्लोक है जहाँ may we all come together, may you come in harmony, may us create new things by the blessing of the Lord. Welcome you all again. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you,